Well, it's a cold one today. Got below freezing. As you can see here. Yep. We're getting cold. The 9th of November. Early in the morning. About 6:56 a.m. It's plenty cold to do a cold start on this thing. I've never started it with the tuner installed without preheating it while it's this cold. So, I thought we'd go ahead and see how she fires up, being cold and not preheating. So, let's go ahead and fire it up, see what she says. Below freezing and no preheating. Just listen to that sound. There's the RPMs picking up. Well, did pretty good the first cold start.